Do you feel like you're constantly on the hamster wheel with UGC? Always pitching new client after new client, writing email after email, and it's exhausting. You might be making $20,000 to $30,000 a month, but you are working for it. Today we're going to talk all about how you can build your UGC business while also building a passive income through your UGC business. Let's dive right in. Hello, everybody. Welcome back. My name is Maria. And for anyone who's new here, I have been a UGC content creator for the past year, as well as a professional photographer and video editor for a long time. Let's start with the basics as why I am qualified to be talking about this. My biggest client that I work with is a professional UGC agency, and what we do is we hire in-house UGC creators, edit UGC videos, and then use those videos for our products and put ad spend behind them and make lots of money. My job is to hire some of the top video editors in the industry to make us UGC ads that convert, leading to a really big ROI. When I started with the agency, I was working hand in hand with all of the UGC content creators, helping hire them, onboard them, reviewing their content, and approving or denying their content. I have been through the ins and outs of UGC with this agency, and let me tell you, I've learned so much. So today we're going to talk about the biggest issue that I see with UGC content creators, and one of the things that I talk about as probably the biggest struggle that I see as a UGC content creator with going to the next level of income. So there's so many content creators out there who are making bank, and it's super exciting because they're bringing in 20 to 30 grand in a month, which is really big money. However, the biggest bottleneck that they're facing is that they're constantly pitching new brands, new clients. One, because they don't have reoccurring clients, so they don't have people who are on a retainer. But two, they're not using this UGC business as a form to generate a passive income as well. So today we're going to talk just about that. When I started off my UGC business, I was pitching brands all the time and I was getting ghosted all the time. But there were a lot of brands who I was actually landing, and I started just doing trade for product because there was like really expensive strollers that I wanted, or a car seat, or something very valuable that I was willing to do a trade for product for. Now I do not do trade for product unless it's something really big that I really have to want it. However, my normal rates started at about $125 per UGC video. After getting in deeper into the industry, my rates are now around the 700 range. And that is because I provide value to these companies. I don't just provide a UGC video. I don't just provide raw content. I provide a fully curated ad for them with multiple hooks. And we'll talk about that in another video a little bit later on how you can scale up your UGC business. But today we're going to be focusing specifically on taking these UGC gigs that you're getting and making them into passive income. One of the things that I pitch the most, that I feel like lands me the most clients, is that I am an Amazon influencer, meaning that I make product review videos specifically for Amazon on-site reviews, so that when people are on Amazon and they are searching for the best travel stroller or the best car seat around, they are going to come across my feed and they are going to see my product reviews on these product pages. When I first started with the Amazon influencer program, it was probably back in, it was a long time ago. It was like when I first started my blog, which was a really long time ago. I did Amazon Associates, and at the same time, I didn't understand the difference between the Amazon Associate program and the Amazon Influencer program. But now I use both of them hand in hand together to make a passive income. So anytime that I make an Instagram reel like this one or like this one, I will take that UGC style Instagram reel and post it to my Amazon influencer page. Anytime that somebody lands on that page, watches the video, and makes a qualifying purchase, I then receive a commission. This is how your UGC business can be maximized by making a video once and seeing the commissions roll in months and months and months after it's been posted. Because typically, if you're positioning yourself correctly within the Amazon influencer market, you can see a video perform for a long time. It all comes down to your research beforehand, obviously. But Amazon has millions of shoppers every single day. So if you're finding a product that's positioned correctly within the market, as well as has a low barrier to entry with not a lot of videos competing onto that product page, this is a gold mine. I posted a video a long time ago on Amazon reviewing some baby products. And I just went through my house and started reviewing everything because I had a baby about 2 years ago and I have all these really expensive things, especially from like when they were gifted from my baby shower or things that I've just accumulated over the years. I made reviews on like everything, and one of them is a gold mine. And every single day, I make at least 5 to 10 sales of this product all the time because people are landing on this product page, finding my review, finding that it's a personable style review where I'm coming off as a friend to you, telling you how much I love this product and how it changed my life. And at that point, people are then clicking buy now. So there's a lot of things within the Amazon influencer program to learn, but the first step is to apply and get approved. Now with UGC, we all know that you don't have to be an influencer to get started, which is one of the best things about UGC is you can start today. However, with the Amazon influencer program, you do need to apply and get approved. And it's kind of difficult because Amazon does not tell you what they're looking for to approve people. So one of the things that I have found that is the main driver behind people getting approved is engagement, which comes back to UGC. If you're pitching a brand on a UGC video, it's a brilliant idea to ask them, hey, I'm working on building my experience with UGC. I'd like to create this video for you. Here's the brief that I've drafted out. Along with that, I'd really love to share this on my public profile to show my expertise in UGC as well as drive more traffic to your product. Is that okay with you? This comes down into negotiation when you're pitching them on your price and all of these things. And obviously there's a better way to word it. I'm just talking off the top of my head right now, but most times than not, brands are going to be totally okay with you taking the UGC video that you've pitched them on and posting it to your public profile. It's good for them, and it also comes off as natural, organic engagement for them as well. Now, once you have done that and you're building your profile, whether it's TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, I don't know who uses Facebook anymore, any of these profiles, YouTube Shorts, make sure that you are engaging with people and encouraging them to interact with this content. At that point, I would say post once a day for a month, which is not hard if you have a lot of clients, and make sure that you're engaging with people, then apply to the Amazon Influencer Program. Once you get accepted, this is where the gold happens. You have to apply for Amazon on-site commissions. You can find videos all over YouTube about how to get approved for Amazon on-site, so we're not going to go into that too in depth today, but basically what you want to do is post 3 review videos to Amazon on-site. And once Amazon reviews those 3 videos, they then will approve you or deny you. You only get 3 chances to apply for Amazon on-site and then you're out forever. So it's important to take this step seriously. One of the things that I found worked for me, and everybody is different, is I posted 3 vertical videos, mainly because this was right when Amazon was rolling out Amazon Inspire, which is like their version of TikTok, but it's shoppable. I posted 3 vertical videos, each one showcasing only one item that was either $50 or more. Don't ever talk about the price in your Amazon on-site videos, and make sure you review the terms and conditions so that you have a good idea of what they're looking for. But one of the key things is do not post more than 3 videos, because at that point they have to review every single video. And if they find one that doesn't fit or one that they don't like, you're out. So only post 3 videos. Okay, so then once you finally get that check mark approval that you are approved for Amazon on-site videos, this is when the magic happens. Every single item that you are pitching for a UGC style video, I would be looking and seeing if it's available on Amazon. If so, pitch away. If not, don't even bother with it right now. Focus solely on where you can land clients, where you can also get passive income. So you could be looking at people like, for example, this car seat I just bought, because I can review it on Amazon, I can review it on Walmart Plus, I can also review it and receive affiliate income from their website. This is like a trifecta for me. It's a perfect opportunity to make a video on something that I'm actually going to use and receive passive income from it. Now, there's other places that you can be generating a passive income from that are not Amazon, that are a lot easier to get approved for, like Mavely. I'll put the link down below so you can check it out. But Mavely is how I link all of my Walmart affiliate products. And the thing I love about Walmart is it's kind of a hidden gem right now. And the fact that I'm saying it, it's probably gonna get really big. But I love Amazon. However, their commission structure is not the best. It's like, at most, I don't know, honestly, it ranges from like 1% to 10% depending on what it is. And the things that I tend to review most seem to be a little bit lower on the commission schedule. With Walmart, you get 10.5% commission, which is huge. So I tend to make videos for things that are exclusively on Walmart or Amazon. However, there are things like the Waby car seat that are not on Walmart, they're on Amazon, and they're on Nordstrom's, which Nordstrom's is also on Mavely for a 10.5% commission. So it does take a little bit of research. You can look into Like to Know It. However, I find that with Like to Know It, they have denied me multiple times, and I don't know why. I really don't. I can't seem to figure it out. I have good engagement, and maybe it's just that I don't have enough followers. I couldn't tell you. But as you guys know, I'm transitioning out of photography. So my old Instagram page, Maria Thill, is no longer really active. I have little less than 10,000 followers on there. And what I've been focusing on the most is my mommy approved Instagram page, which I'll link down below so you can check it out. But that one's growing really fast. And I have a video that's hit 5.5 million views. I honestly can't believe it. But because in the video I talk about you can shop these items on my Amazon storefront linked in my Instagram bio, I've generated a lot of sales for Apple AirTags. It's crazy. But this is how you can get off of the hamster wheel with UGC and still continue to pitch those big clients, but see your income rolling in passively, which is important because I feel like with UGC, it takes a lot of time in the upfront and it's good money. But if you're not taking that and making it passive in some way, what is the point of you doing this? The whole idea is to have financial freedom, right? So let's make sure we're taking the time now to invest our time and money into things that are going to bring money back to us tenfold. And just to share a little bit with you about my passive income journey, this is just the stats from May. It's June right now. And May was a big month for me for passive income. One of my biggest days, I brought in $150 from doing nothing. I woke up that morning and was like, I don't feel like working today. Looked at my stats and was like, wonderful, I made $150. And this is a combination of passive income in general. But overall, the month of May, my revenue with affiliate marketing was about $2,000 in passive income. That is amazing to me. I honestly cannot believe that. I got really serious with passive income in April because before that, it was like, I get $50 in a month or $100 in a month, which was great money. You know, YouTube is a great way to monetize things passively. And it was like $300, $400, still really good money. However, scaling something in 1 month from a couple $100 to $2,000 is crazy to me. So take into consideration all this hard work that you're doing with UGC and make it work for you. Don't just sit back and think, I'm bringing in all this money right now. This is great, because UGC is a booming industry right now. I don't know what the future looks like for it. We could be moving into an era of UGC where people are going to pay less for it. Or with the recent boom of AI, who knows what UGC is going to look like. So start moving towards passive income now. If you need any help with this, leave me a comment down below and I will do my best to answer all of you. Next week, we're going to be talking more about why you are not landing more UGC content deals from the point of view of a UGC hiring team. There's some big opportunities out there and I want to make sure that you guys are getting them. So until next time, I hope you guys have a wonderful week and get started on that passive income now. Bye.